Start with matters education, and more than 965,000 KCSE candidates nationwide began their theory exams today, starting with English and chemistry as the first subjects amid, of course, unverified reports of leaked exam papers. Education Cabinet Secretary Julius Ogamba reassured the public about strong exam security. And as Anne Musungu reports, the exams, which will run until November 22nd, feature strict protocols, including the rotation of supervisors to enhance integrity.
965,501 candidates across the country officially commenced their theory papers today, kicking off with English, functional skills, and chemistry. Reports have surfaced of alleged KCSE exam papers circulating on social media platforms like Telegram as early as 4 a.m., with sources demanding up to 2,500 shillings per paper. However, KTN could not independently confirm the authenticity of these claims. Speaking during the launch of the exams in Nairobi, Education Cabinet Secretary Julius Migos addressed the allegations, stating that all exam boxes were securely sealed, assuring the public that no exam papers had been leaked.
We are undertaking surveillance on social media and are already taking action against sites that are purporting to have access to examination papers. The ministry confirms that all examination papers are secure and in safe custody.
This year's KCSE has introduced key new protocols, including the rotation of supervisors and invigilators among schools to strengthen anti-cheating efforts, personalized question papers featuring students' name and index number, and the establishment of additional exam collection centers.
We urge ourselves as adults to avoid situations that may negatively affect the delivery of examination and an opportunity for our children to give us their full potential.
In a bid to prevent malpractice, the CS emphasized that all instances of cheating will suffer strict penalties, aiming to uphold the integrity of the exam process. KCSE theory papers officially begin today with strict security measures introduced this year. But the big question is, will this finally help curb examination malpractice? Anne Musungu, KTN News, Nairobi.